Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Gmail application for your Android device. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open your Play Store to begin. Once you open it up, go to the search field at the top and type in Geo app and make your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. If you tap on the app, you should see further information about the app. My Geo is your one-stop destination of recharges, UPI and payments, managing Geo devices, movies, music, news, games, and much more. To quickly download the application for your Android devices, tap on the install button in green and wait until the application gets downloaded and installed. It may take a couple of minutes for your application to be downloaded depending upon your internet speed. Always be sure to be connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data that is fast and secure while downloading an application. Soon after the application is installed on your Android device, you should be able to see an open button popping up. If you tap it on, you'll be able to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download your application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.